Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. On this car today we'll be putting a new fuel pump. And I want to share, guys, with you some information that I found how to find cheap fuel pump, because I called the dealer, they wanted $400 and something plus tax for the fuel pump, just for that car. And this is pretty inexpensive car, to be honest with you. Hyundai parts are pretty cheap. $400 and something, that was a little bit ridiculous, if you want my opinion. I was like, there is no way that I pay that much money. So I called a few parts stores. The best I could get was about $300 and something. And I was like, you know, if they do that, probably online I'll get a better deal. So I got online, guys. I'll share the link where I got mine from for this one. And we saved ourselves almost $200. Almost $200 free shipping. We got it in 2 days. I just couldn't believe it. I was pretty happy with it. I was like, $200, same fuel pump, the whole fuel pump assembly, not just the fuel pump itself, the whole assembly with a new lead and everything, and I was ready to go. Alright guys, and this is the fuel pump assembly. You can see it came packed really good, and I'm talking about we got the whole assembly. In your case, you need to check the description, read and everything to see what it comes with, but we got the fuel pump with the filter and everything, so pretty good deal right there. And $200 is $200, guys. So check out the description of the video. We'll share more information where we got ours from, and that way you can look for yours. You can actually put the your model, make, year, what engine you have, and it will tell you if a certain pump will fit your vehicle. So just a quick video, guys. Hopefully it's not boring, but more helpful and help you save some money. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.